Tired of overpriced fishing gear? Here's why making your own fishing weights is better and easier than you think. Store-bought sinkers can cost a fortune, especially if you fish often or lose them in rocky waters. Why pay more for something so simple? With a basic hot pot, a mold and scrap lead, like old tire weights, you can make dozens of sinkers for pennies. Plus, you choose the exact size and shape you need. Making your own means less waste, more customization, and always having what you need. Save money, fish smarter. Make your own weights. You'll never go back. In 30 minutes, you make enough sinkers to last an entire fishing season or longer. If you haven't liked, shared, subscribed, or followed yet, do it now. Good luck and tight lines. We hope to see you on the water.